Tell me your dog's stubborn without telling me your dog's stubborn. Part 2. This is my dog. Baby. He won't even look at me. He won't come in because I did not give him a treat for coming to the door. Yes, you heard the word treat. Stubborn. Yes. Come in. Come on. Get in here. Come in. Listen, you. Get in here. Come. You're the one who scratched at the door. Come in. I didn't give him a treat, so he's not coming in. Get in here. Come on. In. Come on. In. Stop scratching at the door if you're not coming in. Come on. In. Come. I'm not giving you a treat for coming in the door.